I know for a lot of families, it just doesn't seem like summer if they don't get to go to the beach. And if you don't get a chance to put your toes in the sand this year, you can at least enjoy this very beachy story from local Pittsburgh author Michelle Vitula. Happy Tuesday!
Happy Tuesday! My name is Michelle Vitula. I am the author of the picture book, The Stalking Seagulls, and I'm here to read it to you today. The Stalking Seagulls by Michelle Vitula and illustrated by T.L. Derby. The seagulls circled overhead. Alec remembered last summer's dive bomb beach disaster and hid his neatly wrapped sandwich. You sneaky sandwich stealing seagulls better not mess with me. I'm ready for battle, Alec called out. This colossal castle and menacing moat should deter those gulls. These guards will stop them in their tracks, Alec plotted. Can't swipe my sandwich now, seagulls. Alec waited in his beach chair. He listened carefully for his enemy's battle cry. It wasn't long before squawk, squawk, squawk. You'll never get by my beastly beach balls and bucket blockade. Flap, flap, flap. Bubbling blowfish, my beach balls. I'll show you. Pop, pop, pop. Boogity, boogity, boo. The birds retreated, and Alex thought the battle was won. Then, bump, thump, bump. My bucket, my sandwich. Enough was enough. Alec waited for this moment since last summer. It was time to unleash the ultimate weapon. The drone hummed, up, up, up. Thud! Victory! Cheered Alec when, crash! Man down! The birds were soon back, and they'd brought reinforcements. Splat, 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 squash! Crazy crustaceans, my castle! Alec refused to give up and found another hiding spot. Holy haddock, my hat! Phew, close call. You gulls are smarter than you look. Take cover, Alec shouted as the white goopy missiles fell from the sky. Think, Alec, think. The battle wasn't over. He had one last idea to defeat those stalking seagulls. Incoming! Ha ha! You gulls fell for it. Have fun searching. Mission accomplished. And now lunch. When tuna fish, yuck. The end.